Hi and welcome back to my channel. This is Gary's Kitchen and today we are making crabs Benedict. Welcome back to Gary's Kitchen. We are back now for a new season. I've had to take a break over the winter. It's a bit tricky filming when there's no natural light outside, so we're back. Spring is on the horizon and we've got loads of new dishes. This season I'm going to focus on loads of brunch food. Today we're making crabs Benedict. This is one of my favourite eggs Benedict dishes. Keeping it nice and simple, I've grabbed a 50-50 crab meat from the supermarket. When I make a crab Benedict, I take the brown crab meat, mix it with butter, as you'll see, and that goes onto the hot crumpet. The hot crab meat butter soaks into the crumpet and that gives you that extra kick of crab when you're tucking into your crabs Benedict. Great way to boost the flavour. Just mix it around till it's smooth. If you're using crab, get some nice eggs, golden egg yolks. And here's my fast, easy, simple way to make a hollandaise sauce. Okay, now when it comes to hollandaise, keep it simple. Don't clarify butter into egg yolks. Makes it sound too tricky. When you're getting up and you want to cook a nice brunch dish, a real easy way to do hollandaise. I do this every day at work. It works well, pretty much foolproof. Put 4 egg yolks into a pan, 150 grams of butter, teaspoon of vinegar, whisk it over a low heat until the butter melts. When the butter's melted, keep whisking it till you get to a double cream consistency, almost a ribbon consistency, so you can see the ribbons from the whisk. In the hollandaise, take it off, little splash of double cream or ketchup. That helps cool it down instantly and stabilise the hollandaise. Season it if you need to. Remember, if you're using salted butter, you probably won't need to. Here we go, nice and simple. Vinegar goes in the yolks. Add the ice cold butter, must be fridge cold. Whisk it over a heat till the butter melts. See it thicken up, add some cream and it's done. If you love English muffins, then flip over to my website. There's a great English muffin recipe there and it's plant-based, so give that one a try. But today we're using crumpets. Hollandaise sauce is made. So now we're going to poach the eggs. We're going to drop those into simmering water with a teaspoon of white wine vinegar for 2 minutes and 10 seconds. A little teaspoon of white wine vinegar goes into simmering water. This coagulates the egg whites. First word I learned at college. That keeps the egg whites nice and tight. Okay, let's plate it up. Toasted crumpet goes on the plate, then we put the crab butter on top. Fresh white crab meat gets spooned on top of that. The butter's already melting into the crumpet. Look at that crab meat. Then we're going to sit the poached egg on top of the crab meat, nice and runny look. Spoon the sauce, nappe it over the top of the egg, nice even strokes so the hollandaise falls down the side of the eggs Benedict. Capers on top, gives a bit of sharpness to cut through the butter. Sprinkle of fresh chives, going to need to clean that plate afterwards, look at that blooming mess. Pop the yolk, delicious. Who doesn't love the natural pop of an egg yolk when you go out for a brunch or a breakfast? Let's just enjoy that oozy yolk for a second. Oh yeah, that's a poached egg. Crumpets are great because they absorb the butter. So when you're making a crab meat butter, using all the contents of the crab meat butter sinks into the holes in the crumpet. You put your Benedict on top, you cut into the crumpet, and not only do you get that great egg yolk pop, you get that buttery crab flavour sunk into the flavour of the crumpet. If you want to add a few different dimensions to this Benedict dish, you can put avocado underneath the egg and then crab, fresh asparagus when it comes in season. Both of these things work really well with crab meat and poached eggs. If you've got a whole crab and you've never prepped one before, then I'll tag you into a video right here. This is me prepping crab. This is right at the beginning of my YouTube journey, so I apologise for the quality of the video, but all the information's there if you want to prep your own crabs. Okay, thank you for watching. Make sure you give this one a try. This is a really fresh, vibrant eggs Benedict. Really good, really worth splashing out an extra like 50p to £1 to get those good quality eggs with that really rich golden egg yolk. Fresh crab meat, you can go down to Waitrose or to supermarket and get that already pre-prepped. Always worth giving it a little check to make sure there's no cartilage or shell in there. If you haven't liked and subscribed, then please do so. Subscribe to the channel now for more brunch and breakfast content coming up this season. And also, if you want to drop some comments down in the comment box of anything you'd like to see, I'll be happy to give that a go. Next week, I think I'm going to do a Serrano ham Benedict with a Marmite butter hollandaise. Never tried it before, it's stuck in the back of my brain. Marmite butter hollandaise. It's got to work, surely, especially if you like Marmite. If you love it, drop me a comment. If you hate it, do the same. See you next week. Thank you for watching. Any comments and questions, please drop them in the comment box. Recipes I always try and put onto my website, and I'll also drop them into the comments here. Thank you again for watching. See you next time. That's Gary's Kitchen. Take care now. Bye. Hi and welcome back to my channel.